Hey everyone! Welcome back. In our previous videos, we covered the specifications and camera features of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A36. Today, we're diving into pricing expectations and availability, two key factors that can influence your buying decision. So, what can we expect in terms of pricing? The Galaxy A36 is anticipated to be priced around $400, which is quite competitive for a mid-range smartphone with such impressive specifications. This price point is similar to its predecessor, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. Now let's discuss availability. Based on current information, Samsung typically follows a consistent release cycle for its A-series devices. We can expect that if all goes as planned, the Galaxy A36 will launch sometime in March 2025. For our viewers in the US who are wondering whether they'll be able to get their hands on this device, there's good news. Unlike its sibling model, the Galaxy A56, which may not launch in the US, the Galaxy A36 has a higher chance of being available based on last year's release of the Galaxy A35. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable mid-range smartphone with great features at an affordable price, keep an eye out for the Samsung Galaxy A36 this March. What are your thoughts on its pricing? Are you excited about its launch? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates.